Hey guys, it's Katie Girl Knits. I wanted to introduce you guys to a cast on that I really like, and it makes things interesting. Just adds a little bit more detail from just your regular plain Jane cast on. Plus, it gives you the benefit of having a finished edge. So this is a Picot cast on. So to begin, I make a slip knot. Notice I don't have much yarn there. Okay. I am using a size 10 needle, but I'm using that so that you can see in the pattern you're going to use a size 8. But for us, for our purposes today, there you go, get that set. All right. So in the pattern it says make a slip knot, which I've done. Now it says cast on stitches, cast on 2 stitches. And I'm going to use the knitted cast on. So I've made a slip knot, I've put it on there. Made it a little tight. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to knit on 2 stitches. Okay, so I now have 3. So now I'm going to make that picot. So I'm going to cast off 2 stitches. 1 and then 2. I have 1 stitch cast on, but I have this cute little ball right here, just a little picot hanging there. All right, so the next one is I'm going to cast on 4 stitches. So I have, that's 1, so I'm going to cast on 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have 4 stitches. All right, so now I'm going to cast off 2 stitches. 1 and 2. If you notice, I have 3 stitches cast on and 2 little balls. So again, we're going to repeat row 2 until you have 100 stitches. This is going to take some time. If you're like me, you may not be able to talk a whole bunch, or you might, I don't know. Take your time, do whatever works. There's no hurry. We're knitting. This is supposed to be enjoyable. 3 and 4. 4 stitches cast on using the knitted cast on. I'm going to cast off 2. 1 and 2. I have 5 stitches. So you'll notice that looks like a little yarn over there. Don't worry about that. It's a stitch. And when you come back through, and you're going to be doing after this, you're going to be doing the, what does it say to do? You're going to do like the large O section. All right, I'm going to do one more. Knitted on, cast on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cast off 2 stitches. 1 and 2. So let's say you have your 99 stitches and you're down to that last stitch you have to cast on. What are you going to do? You're just going to cast one on and just call it done. You can either make it a little picot, or you could just make it a regular cast on, or whatever you need. It's really all up to you. So this is your picot cast on. Have fun. Thanks for watching.